Alright, today is the day I ride lightning rod. 3 years ago, I went to Dollywood. Guys, this is the lightning rod right over here. And I'm a little bummed it's not open, but it's okay. I only live 4 hours away from here, not like 20,000 hours. And it looks cool. Kinda wish I could ride it. Lightning rod was not open, but the next day it was open. So today is my day to ride lightning rod. It was open yesterday, so it's gotta be open today. Let's go. And gas, a smile. Oh my god! Lightning rod's running! Oh baby. The doors are open. I've never seen this. Oh my god, I can't. I can't believe it. So I just got off lightning rod first time. Riding it again, obviously. But that was awesome. I rode it in a wheel seat, so it was kind of shaky, but that was forceful. The airtime, the quadruple down. Oh my. Oh, and the line is insanely long, but oh well. The dispatches are trash. Okay, just like Twisted Cyclones. But at least it's got 2 trains, so oh well. It was great.